Let's now look at another interesting feature as far as the Oracle Apex is concerned. It's called the faceted search. This was introduced in from version 19 onwards. That means about 4 5 years back. Before that, it's not there. It's a kind of a applying filter. It's a built-in. It's a kind of a built-in page, and you can also customize it further if you wish. So to do that, yes, we will go to the. You need to create a page. The interesting factor is that it is available in the components, so built-in components. So I'll say faceted um, search, and then I need to give the name. It just be the projects. So I'll say demo projects, and then say next. So it automatically gives all the so it'll basically you can apply filters on project based on project name, status, whether it is completed project or it is open project. So all this you can apply. So it will automatically select. If you want, you can deselect which you feel which you are not interested. So yeah, then you go to the create page. The page is created. Faceted search, and then you have to run it over here. So when you run it, yeah, you'll understand it better. um, Save and run. So so here it is. It's far more simple. Say for example, I said about status. It gives all of them, all the status. If you want to track only the open status, when you apply a filter over here, it'll then give you all the listing of only open. And similarly, if you look at the on hold, it will give you the projects on hold. So similarly, if you want to see what is the budget alone, 150 to 300, it gives you with a budget of 150 to 300. So this faceted search, it's a built-in functionality, so it is pretty useful. I mean, kind of a to understand the data presented. So now it is built-in, and far more, you can also have the kind of a faceted search. You can create a item and then apply the filter. It's possible to customize the filter as well. You can also create the customized filter using the faceted built-in. So to do that, yeah, go to the page designer, open the page designer of the appropriate page. We are on page 5. So here, yes, if you look at it, here, if you see, create a facet, so it will get created underneath. So I'll say um, for the budget, I want to create custom and just give some name, custom underscore budget. So instead of the checkbox grouping, I'll say input field, and here less than or equal to if the budget is less than whatever the value, it will get the input from the text and have that value 0 percentage 0 because that's the value. And I will say dollars as the suffix text, and then whatever the field is, of course the database column is only just budget, so I'll have that as budget. So that's it. It has to get an input value and then apply the appropriate filter. So first you need to save it first, and post saving, yes, then you run it. So if you look at, come to the bottom, you have over here the new is here, and only thing is, yeah, instead we have not given the title. If you give the appropriate title, the new will disappear. Let's look at over here. Instead, budget less than. If you budget less than, so then if you save it and then Run it. Yeah. Now if you look at it, budget less than, and then if you say 300 less than 300, and then apply, go. So whatever is budget less than 300, only that is being displayed. So instead I clear it and then I apply budget less than 100. We only the all the budgets are all are of them of 100. So it will give you only that whatever is there in 100, it is getting displayed over here. And if it is 1000, yes, so then it should list all of which are less than 1000. So it includes everything: 100, 500, hundreds, 800, whatever it is. So it applies the filter. So this way, you can also add an item in your page as faceted, create faceted, and apply the appropriate column. So you can even customize the report apart from the standard ones as well as a you create as a page item, and then under faceted search, if you look at it in the page 5, we have created under the faceted search as a custom item and apply the appropriate filters as well. So this gives you an idea as to how this can be done. Thank you.